Are you stuck at a band 5 in IELTS writing? Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, you can't improve? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a proven step-by-step method to go from band 5 to band 9. Let's get started. To score band 9, you must master the 4 key areas the examiner looks for. 1. Task achievement, answering the question fully. 2. Coherence and cohesion, logical flow of ideas. 3. Lexical resource, using a range of vocabulary accurately. 4. Grammatical range and accuracy, error-free and complex grammar. If you're at band 5, one or more of these areas needs serious improvement. Now, let's break down how to fix them. Let's talk about task 1. In academic writing, focus on identifying trends, comparisons, and key data points using formal language like increase, decrease, or remains stable. Structuring your response, introduction, overview, and 2 body paragraphs. For general training, focus on the tone. Is it formal, informal, or semi-formal? Organize your letter clearly with a greeting, purpose, details, and closing. A well-structured task 1 is your first step toward higher scores. Task 2 carries more weight. Here's the 4-paragraph structure to follow. 1. Introduction, paraphrase the question and state your opinion. 2. Body 1, explain your first main idea with examples. 3. Body 2, add your second main idea with examples. 4. Conclusion, summarize your points and restate your opinion. Use connectors like however, moreover, and as a result to ensure smooth flow. And remember, always support your arguments with examples. A wide range of vocabulary is essential. Learn topic-specific words for common IELTS topics like the environment, education, and technology. For example, instead of saying important, use crucial or vital. Replace a lot of with a significant number. Avoid repeating the same words. Instead, use synonyms or rephrase your sentences. But remember, accuracy is more important than complexity. Grammar is a game changer. At band 5, candidates often rely on basic sentences. To score higher, use complex sentences like, although technology has benefits, it also has drawbacks. Use passive voice, for instance, the data was collected over 10 years. And don't forget conditionals. If governments invest in education, literacy rates will improve. Practice these structures daily until they feel natural. The secret to improvement is feedback. Write 3 essays a week. Get them evaluated by a teacher or use AI tools like Grammarly. Identify your weak areas and focus on one at a time. For example, if grammar is your weakness, spend a week improving it. Consistent practice is key. Time management can make or break your score. Here's how to manage your 60 minutes. Spend 20 minutes on task 1, spend 40 minutes on task 2, plan for 5 minutes before writing and 5 minutes for proofreading. This ensures you finish both tasks confidently. Improving from band 5 to band 9 isn't impossible. It's about understanding the exam, practicing daily, and staying consistent. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's ace your IELTS writing.